Part 3 of my half bath renovation is to replace this laminate countertop, the sink and the faucet. For the replacement, I bought this vanity. It's a integrated sink and countertop 31 by 22. And this brushed nickel 8-inch bath faucet. It's a 3-hole design. So the first step would be to install the faucet and the drain to the sink. Here's everything that came with the faucet. This one's marked red, so this is the hot side and this is the cold side. It also came with a drain, just convenient. And here's the one-piece sink. I think it looks pretty good. Okay, just finished installing the faucets. This is how it looks on the back side and this is how on the front side. It's pretty straightforward. Just put the faucet through the hole and thread it with the plastic nuts provided. So the next would be the drain. So the drain did come with a rubber washer, but I went ahead and put some caulk anyway. Okay, so went ahead and installed the drain, the pop-up nut, just to make sure it works. Closed, open. The setup on this new sink is done. So the next thing would be to remove the existing countertop. Okay, so this existing sink, it has one nut here, one over here, one over here. There are no screws over here. Yeah, and there are some under this extra piece that's sticking out above the toilet. I'm going to start removing them one by one. So I'll just loosen this using a pocket knife. This should cut any caulk that's already there. Yeah. This should take out any existing caulk and loosen the backsplash. So went ahead and removed the 3 screws that's holding the countertop. Before moving ahead, I'll go ahead and disconnect the water mains and the P-trap. Went ahead and disconnected this side, but they've used copper pipes, which is not at all flexible. So disconnected the P-trap. Other than these 3 screws, there's just 1 screw in that corner. Went ahead and disconnected those. So now time to lift up this countertop. So just a quick push. Okay, so it's not too bad. Whoa. That was easy. And out with the old. It looks much more roomy and airy right now. So I'm gonna put some silicone caulk on this and put the new sink in place. Oh. And this is how the brand new sink and the faucet looks. I think it looks really clean and neat. I, however, need a new P-trap. This is of a different dimension. So I'll have to go to Home Depot now. After installing the new sink's drain doesn't align with the existing P-trap. So went to Home Depot and got a bunch of elbows and plastic pipes, and let's see how I can make this work. It looks like I should be able to make it work with this combination, provided I cut this existing pipe. This has 3 pieces. This is the new thing that goes onto the drain pipe and 2 angled elbows. So let me start by cutting this pipe. Okay, and here's a dry run install. I cut this pipe to probably like 2 inches or so, and then I use these three pieces, and it seems to work. So I'm going to now glue them all together and get this sink going. And there's the finished product. So this glue is really strong. You might want to get it right before setting it. Otherwise, you'll have to throw this away. And there's the finished product, both the drain and the sink. Stopper works too. No water leaks. That's always a good sign. No leaks anywhere. Yeah, now we have a little bit of a backsplash problem. So that's going to be the next project. Ciao.